Hello, this is my first ever puppet video, and today is my voice reveal. So subscribe. Since I have 100 subs, I'm doing a voice reveal. I'm making a new genre of video called puppets videos. So let's get to the video. Got a bird outside. Let's get to that. Thank you. Okay, where's that bird I caught barking outside? See it? It's right there. Get over here, bird. Okay, grab it. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got the bird. Okay. Okay, let's get the salt. Salt that food. Get the pepper. Okay. What else? Oh yeah, make sure it doesn't wake up. Okay. Okay, let's put him in the oven. Okay, got the bird. Put him in the oven. Okay. What? I heard something at the door. Okay, let me go get that. Okay, who is this at the door? Hello? Really?
Yeah.
Try to cook a bird.
Cookies will go well with that bird.
How much?
There's 6 cookies for $10.
I'll go get my wallet. I got the wallet. Okay, I got my wallet right here. Okay, just take $10. Give me the cookies. Leave the wallet at the door. Yeah, I got some cookies. Cookies. I want to watch TV. Meanwhile. Well, look at that.
Look at that.
Let's go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Time to get that bird. What? Where is the bird? No! Thank you all for watching my video. Have a very nice day. If you watch my video, thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Bye.